Login loop error on Good Money fix. If you're stuck in a login loop on the Good Money app where you enter your details, it loads for a second and then sends you right back to the login screen. You're not alone. Most people assume it's a password problem, but the surprising truth is that it's usually caused by cached data or an expired session token that confuses the app. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, force close the Good Money app completely. Don't just swipe up, make sure it's not running in the background. Then, go to your phone settings, find the Good Money app, and clear both the cache and stored data. This resets any old session information that might be keeping you locked out. Next, check for an app update. Open your App Store and look for the latest version of Good Money. Updates often include bug fixes that specifically target login and authentication errors. Once updated, reopen the app and try logging in manually. Avoid using saved passwords or autofill during this step. If that doesn't work, switch your internet connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Some networks block secure connections, which can cause the app to restart the login process. Also, make sure your phone's date and time settings are set to automatic. A mismatch clock can make your security token invalid, leading to an endless loop. If you're using biometric login like Faceit or Fingerprint, disable it temporarily and log in with your email and password instead. Once you're back in, you can safely turn it on again. After following these steps, you should be able to access your account without being kicked back to the login screen. So, if your Good Money app keeps looping, don't panic. It's not your account or credentials. It's usually just a quick cache or connection fix. A few minutes of troubleshooting and you'll be right back to managing your finances smoothly.